Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you will install XperVideo plugin. So first you need to go to your WordPress site, just log into the WordPress, and then you come to this section, plugins, click install plugins. This will take you to the screen, so you click add new, and then you have this button upload plugin. Click on upload plugin. Okay, and then browse to the file where you have saved it. I have saved it to XperVideo, and let's see where it is. Software source. This is XperVideo.zip file. Choose it, and then click install now. So this is going to install it. Okay, checking, installing the plugin. Plugin installed successfully. Then you can click activate plugin to allow it to work. You should be able to see WP XperVideo over there, and that's it. Thanks for listening.